Mga kaibigan, happy Sabbath day once again to all of you, especially to Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustillo Boco, which is the youngest judge ever appointed here in the Philippines at the age of 34. Yeah, happy Sabbath day. And to all the members of the SDE Church around the world for almost 27 million plus. So I am the one of that mga kaibigan, including my wife. The wife is right now is going to the church because I am going also to my job, which is the one to support our in everyday needs that in their life. That God's is provide us that we need to be understand that the God's is the highly civilized of the humanity, and there is a good believers. The believers and the faithful of the humanity in this universe should be respected, and they could not be intervened by law itself. But it is our important thing to be understand on this universe that God will provide us everything beautiful creations that we are going to be an steward. Even though you are believing or not in God itself. So there is people out there, they do not like to believe the God that they are existing in this universe. Yes, God, it could not be seen in the physical type of the like a human, but God is, it's in our heart and in our mind, and also that you can see and around the world that the one who given the air, the sun, and everything that to be grown in this universe was given and blessed by God, even the existing of the humanity in the highly civilized of the human civilization. So that's why in the very active in the church, I hoping so much to all of you to continue to that, to serve the words of God around the world, because for almost 4 billion of people around the world, mga kaibigan, 10% to 20%, 30% out of that are believing in Jesus Christ, which is the Son of God in this universe. But only one thing, the very pretty sure to tell you right now, very frankly, mga kaibigan, the only one books that I read, the most precious book, the most sacred book that I being read, because I read a lot of books in my life. Only the Bible, it contains a very mysterious things that would be happen in the future and in coming also, and the past. So they are mentioning even the life of the people in this universe. Even the complete circumnavigations, which is in 1521 was established by Magellan, that the earth is circle, but in Bible is 1,000 years ago, 2,000 to 3,000 years ago was mentioning that in Isaiah that the earth is circle, and there is one to sit in the throne at the top of them, mga kaibigan. So that's why we believe in or not in God, there is a God for me. So if we believe God, just believe God. If you do not like to believe God, just do it to yourselves. That is your opinion to be respected. That is your beliefs in your life to be respected. Thank you so much around the world once again, mga kaibigan. Happy Sabbath day for almost 27 million plus of the members of the SDE Church who believe faithfully, honestly, and very loyal to the words of God. Thank you so much all of that, mga kaibigan.